you guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. So I am bringing you guys along with a different clean with me. So I am actually taking on the task of cleaning up my backyard. I am terrified of spiders, so this was a huge challenge for me. So I'm just going to walk you through what I did. First, I have some gloves on and a hat because I want to make sure that if I come in encounter with any creepy crawlies that I, one, have gloves, and two, I have a hat to protect my face. I am trimming down these bushes that are in the back of my house on the side. I ended up actually digging up two of the trees and I just kept one because I'm trying to make a space to plant some vegetables. But yeah, I'm just going in and trimming all of the weeds that I should have trimmed probably 6 months ago. So that is what I'm doing here. Alright, so I'm getting into spider territory number 2. Spiders love to creep in these little rails at the side of my house, and what I did is I went in with a broom and took down all of the webs that I could find, and I just went ahead and sprayed down the iron fence because I want to keep these spiders tamed as much as possible, and taking down the webs is one of the best ways you can do that. And then I went in with a leftover bottle of Mrs. Meyer's dish detergent and I just added some water, and I am just squirting this down on the concrete because my dogs sometimes they'll like pee on the concrete. I try to get them to pee on the side of the house, but sometimes they miss. So I'm using a broom and just deep cleaning the cement. I know this sounds so weird, but you guys, in the summertime, you do not want the smell of like dog urine on your sidewalk. So that is what I'm doing right here. I am scrubbing everything, and this actually helped get rid of some like ants and some other, you know, creepy crawlies that were crawling along. And then the kids have this foam play mat that I put underneath their water table. So I went ahead and scrubbed this down too because, one, I don't know if there's any bugs in it. I don't know if there's any dead bugs in it. I don't know if the dogs have peed on it accidentally. So since the kids are out here playing, it's just best that I go ahead and sweep everything up. And then I'm getting rid of all of the leaf pile up too because spiders like to creep in leaf piles as well. They love clutter, they love darkness, so I'm just getting rid of all of the clutter. A funny story, when I first wanted to try this task of cleaning my backyard, I actually bought a hazmat suit because I was so terrified of cleaning the backyard in fear I was going to end up encountering a bunch of spiders. And you guys, honestly, I found maybe like 3 when I was cleaning the backyard, so I am so proud of myself for not having to use my hazmat suit. And one of my biggest motivations of cleaning up the backyard is because I got a new hammock from Backyard Expressions. So first of all, this hammock was super easy to put together, and any piece of furniture that I can put together myself, I am all about. So all you do is you just snap in the base. There is 3 main pieces to the base, so once you snap all 3 of those pieces in, it is secure, it is not going anywhere, and like I said, I'm so excited anytime I can put furniture together because I hate bothering Chris with that. And then the next step you do is you just hook in the actual fabric part for the hammock. So there's 2 hooks on each side. So all you have to do is hook one end and then pull the other side, and it's secure and you're good to go. And you can also wash the fabric too. So if you need some cleanup with the fabric, maybe you spill something, it's super easy to go ahead and clean up the fabric. So this is a 2-person hammock, however the weight limit is 250, so make sure you calculate your combined weight. I'm good, I am under 250, and so is Chris, so we can both take turns relaxing in our hammock, and I am so excited to have this space to just relax while the kids are running amok outside. So I can envision myself doing some couponing videos, some breakdowns here in my hammock. So I'm going to have Backyard Expressions linked below with their product. I have a 20% off coupon code for you guys, so definitely go and check them out. And thank you so much, Backyard Expressions, for working with me on this video. So something else I did to try to minimize these spiders on my hammock is I went ahead and put it right underneath the window ledge of our house. And then I went ahead and sprayed the actual fabric with some insect repellent, and I just let it sit for about 24 hours. And I'm hoping that that's going to help any type of spiders from like actually coming into the material. And then I'm just going to go ahead and shake the hammock out every single day to make sure there are no creepy crawlers inside of the actual hammock. So this is the finished product of the backyard. So now the kids have a cleaner space to play in their pool, and I have a nice relaxing space for myself while I'm watching them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Backyard Expressions below, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye!